Hooked into the penalty area towards Zidane. Oh,
George Floyd! George Floyd! George Floyd!
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
And I was working as mayor and leading demonstrations. We had a police force and we had a student government related to the various colleges, and we had disciplined, organized marches. This is really deliberate chaos, and I think that the gentleman from the FBI, your security guy, has it right that this is not what the civil rights movement has been all about. That this has been infiltrated with people from left and right who really want to destroy America. Now, the students here and the students and everywhere else I've seen have been very well disciplined for the most part. We had mothers and children out leading the marches in the afternoon yesterday in Atlanta, but when night fell, then there was another whole genre of chaos that was introduced that we handled pretty good. But I'm afraid that with this coronavirus, which is still undergirding all that's going on, that we've got more than we can handle right now.
Yeah, but they saw it.
In Santa Monica, the police chief in particular, we're waiting to hear from the chief there. This is very close actually to the police station there in Santa Monica. We're also hearing, we showed you that shot some time ago from Long Beach, a huge crowd gathering on the streets of Long Beach. Now we're getting reports of looting taking place in Long Beach as well, so they're going to have their hands full in that part of our community tonight. But the focus right now, for the most part, the larger groups are here in the Santa Monica area. But we've also heard Huntington Beach had some problems today. protesters actually on both sides of the issue down there, going at each other on the streets down there. But
Santa Ana last night had quite a bit of problems in Orange County. We're hearing that Whittier might be an area not to have problems, hopefully, but that's another staging area for a protest. There will be other protests in many communities and cities throughout Southern California for the rest of the night tonight, and we're just hoping that everybody stays peaceful.
Yeah, it's unclear just how effective these curfews are going to be. Last night it didn't seem to make much of a difference to anybody that was out on the streets, and we've seen that happening in other towns as well. But now with the National Guard mobilized on the scene, we've seen them moving along the streets. It was unclear exactly where they were heading, but as that fire in your picture there continues to get out of hand, we would expect to see some of the
6th Street and Colorado. So it's probably several blocks away at least, and we've seen a little small explosion coming out of the bottom of the car there, and a couple people that are getting in the way of the firemen. They need to block off and get back away from them so that they can do their job. And unfortunately, right now there's no support here with this engine group of firefighters here with the support of the police, I should say.
This is what we were talking about, Colleen, earlier, where police are, because they're stretched so thin already, cannot get into every situation where firefighters need to put out a fire.
And this is what we thought the Guard would do, the National Guard, that they would protect some of these firefighters going in. It's what we saw in 1992. They rolled as protection.
I've never seen something like this in person in my life. Did you buy a gas mask? Bro, what buy station? All the buy stations are gone at this point. We're out of buy stations. I can't. It's so hot. I'm gonna sweat so bad. Hell yeah. There goes the left side of the building. I was here when the thing was like... I was here when it was just barely on fire. I had it on my live stream. Yeah. You watched them try to set on fire? They were like, why? You know? Why that one?